Where are the guardrails? What are the limits?
Yeah, so there's multiple levels of guardrails. At the lowest level is the guardrails around the platform itself. And it's been constructed as quite a well-governed platform such that what can be done in the platform is safe within the platform. So we don't allow, for example, anyone to come and just call an MCP server. A MCP server would need to be onboarded into the platform and made available.
So, Shreyasi, what caught my eye wasn't the AI itself, but how much they emphasized on the fact tight IT and compliance controls. It reminded me of one of our conversations with my clients who use SAP or Salesforce.
Exactly. The pattern there is key. Even at that scale, they aren't letting people play in an AI playground. They've built a layer between the employee and the data. Most of our clients feel stuck because they think they have to expose their entire SAP or Maritime ERP or whatever they're using to an LLM to get any value. And we're telling them, actually, don't do that. Keep your core systems locked down.
Right, because the fear is that once you plug in the AI, you lose control or where the data goes, right?
Precisely. What we propose is an enterprise orchestration layer. The AI, the brain, never actually touches the ERP directly. It sits in a governed layer. If an employee wants to build a micro app using vibe coding to track late shipments, they talk to the copilot. The copilot prepares the summary, but any real action follows a strict audit trail.
So, from the employee's perspective, it feels like they have their personal high speed assistant. But from the IT's perspective, it is a controlled environment.
That's the balance. We aren't just automating people, we are automating roles. A procurement officer in a manufacturing plant has a different set of guardrails than a finance lead in a PE firm. We map the AI to their specific SOPs. The AI handles routine friction, reconciling invoices or scanning satellite feeds or land encroachment, but the human makes the final call.
So, that's how we can credibly talk about 10xing your team without just adding more people to manage the mess.
Exactly. We remove the friction, not the responsibility. It's about AI that employees actually use and IT actually trusts. We aren't just selling a tool, we are building an operational infrastructure that sits between your people and your enterprise software.
And since we designed this end to end, mapping the processes and the guardrails, it's a long term shift for the company, not just a chatbot experiment.
Right. We prove the workflow in our lab first. We show the client exactly how the data stays in their walled garden. Once they see that their SAP data is never exposed to the public web, the conversation shifts from should we do this to how fast can we start?
Stop waiting for a safe version of public AI. Build your own private AI gateway and 10x your team's output without increasing your headcount. Comment, orchestrate, or DM us for a 15 minutes walkthrough of how we sit between your staff and your ERP.